Hi, this is Brandeis for Predicto TV here in New York City at the premiere of The Bounty Hunter with this crowd anxiously awaiting. Say hi, everybody. The romantic comedy stars Jennifer Aniston and Gerard Butler. So we're going to grab the superstars and see how much they know about the hottest topics that have everyone talking in the Predicto mobile community. Hi, we're here with Kendra. How are you?
I'm doing great, yeah.
You look lovely tonight.
Thank you so much.
Tell me, what brings you out this evening?
I was doing some business around the corner with Sobe Lifewater, and I just hopped in my dress and came right down, and I want to watch this movie, and I'm really excited about it.
We're here with Dorian Missick. Tell us about your character Bobby in the film.
I played Bobby Jenkins, interestingly enough, and I'm Gerard's ex-partner, and there's a little question about where my alliances stand. That's pretty much all I can tell you.
Okay, so we have to keep an eye out for what that really means.
Yeah.
Now, tell me, do you think LeBron James will win the MVP in the NBA this year?
If he doesn't, he deserves it. Kobe's is good. Kobe's great, but it's all about LBJ.
Do you think Apple will sell 1 million iPads before May?
Definitely.
Definitely. That was emphatic yes, guys.
Apple is an amazing company, and they have a great reputation. I own a Mac, so I think they're going to do good.
Tell me, what was your favorite part of working on the film?
Being involved with the crew and the cast that made this movie possible. And it's just an honor to really work with them and to be included and be part of it.
You work together, and you work all day, and you have long days together, and you see all that kind of chemistry. But then the weekend would come, and Jen would say, "So what are we doing this weekend?" I'd be like, "I don't know." And so it'd be like, "Well, let's have dinner." So Jen, Jerry, myself, a bunch of people from the cast and crew, they come over, and we had these dinner parties that happened like almost every weekend for the whole summer.
One last question for you. Catcher in the Rye. Do you think they're going to make it into a movie this year?
Catcher in the Rye, oh my God, I hope not. Just leave it alone.
Better left undone, huh? Thank you so much, Andy, for joining us.
Leave Holden alone.
What drew you to the project in particular? Anything?
Oh man, working with Jen, working with Gerard, working with Andy Tennant, who directed it. I mean, all of the above.
Okay, here at Predicto, we're all about predictions. So tell me, Katy Perry, there's a new Smurf movie coming up. You think she'll play a Smurfette?
I'm not sure. Okay, yeah, sure, I'll predict that.
What relationship advice did you pick up from the film?
Absolutely none, as I'm single.
That's about all the time we have for this edition of Predicto TV. Until next time, if you think you have what it takes, you can win some great prizes by predicting what will happen next. Go to Predicto.com and make your predictions.